What's up, everybody? So I'm going to be going over FedEx and talk about a little bit of its earnings and how we should go ahead and how we should play it. So if you go ahead and go to Earnings Whisper, we can see we have FedEx reporting earnings at 4:15 p.m. Right after market close, so after hours, and it's reporting June 19th, so Tuesday. I'm expecting positive earnings. I'm expecting earnings to beat just based off of all the numbers in previous earnings. So what I would do is this. I personally don't feel comfortable buying at this level. I just don't. Now, if we go ahead and look at the weekly, really not too much support until we get down to about like the 250s. 250 about, yeah, 255 to about 250s. So I don't feel comfortable buying at all right here. Let's say this. Let's say that price pulls back and the market opens tomorrow, Monday, so I doubt it's going to pull back to the 250s by then. But let's say a miracle happens. If it pulls back to around like 255 to 250, say by Monday afternoon or Tuesday morning, then I'll go ahead and buy. And I'll be anticipating a strong earnings. So if I'm anticipating a strong earnings and the company's going to report good growth and positive revenue, then that's good indications for the stock. Now I see FedEx at around like 280s to the 290s, maybe even 300s by the end of the year. That's just a speculation at that point. But I definitely could see like 280s to 290s for sure on FedEx. Now let's say FedEx has a positive earnings right now. It could jump about $15, $18 per share in one day. So when people always talk about waking up in profits, this is a trade that's going to be after hours. So you'd probably want to get into this trade about 10 minutes before close. A little trick that I use is I can tend to see the volume and I can tend to see where price is going to go like the last 5 to 3 minutes before even the market close. So you can see a little bit of volume going and buyers or sellers getting into the market. So a couple things that you can do is you can just do that, or if we can get the pullback. But if we jump up, we'll be at least around like $275, $280 per share. Then if that happens, then we may be close to, depending on how big of a jump we're going to have after earnings, how long it's going to consolidate and be exhausted, and we can hopefully see $300 per share. So that's how you guys should trade FedEx.